shit.
How you like changing them diapers?
Fuck that.
Yep.
I change peas from now on. I don't change no shit no more. Fuck that. That shit is like, okay, it's green. It got different shades of green. Different tones. It goes from dark green to light green, fucking brown. Ugh. Heck no, B. Shit, heck no, Dad. That's mama's job. I feel for you, Dad. I feel for you.
So, Dad, I took a fat shit, Dad, and you had to change it.
Beer number 2, Daddy.
That's like a fat one. Yeah, you are right, Dad.
Bitch. Yeah, nah.
Say,
Oh, I think I put a shitty one in there. Reused it.
My baby changing a shitty ass diaper early in the morning.
No, what you said last night.
Shut up, I didn't say shit last night.
Okay, so I changed the diaper. It's fucking right now. Do me.
Bless you. Bless you. Why are you crying for? Why are you crying?
Look at it, it's my lip.
Why are you crying for, huh? What's the matter with you? Huh? You don't like the camera, right?